This is the Nokia C21 Plus I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and establish a free VPN connection on this device. So first of all, in order to, be able to do that, we will need to download the free application that is called Turbo VPN. So make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, and then just download the Turbo VPN app. After that, you want to go ahead and launch it, agree on the terms, and continue. Then skip this little ad. And in order to turn on the VPN, tap on the caret icon over here. As you can see by this little icon at the status bar, the connection has been successfully established. And once you're ready to turn it off, just tap on this little cross sign at the app. You can also change the server, by the way, if you want to. So tap on this cross sign at the app, choose the disconnect option, which we'll do right after. We'll be able to skip this little ad over here. So tap on it, disconnect, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.